Mahaba-haba to. A gang of pipe layers working under the supervision of Foreman A can finish a pipe laying job in 20 days. The same gang pipe layers, the same gang of pipe layers working without the supervision of a foreman can finish the same pipe laying job in 25 days. The project engineer, desiring to finish the job in 20 days, employed the gang of pipe layers under the supervision of Foreman A. However, at the end of the 5th working day, Foreman A quit the job. Iniwan sila sa ere. In order to finish the job on the original target period of 20 working days, the project engineer employed 2 additional pipe layers at the start of 6th working day. Okay? Dinagdagan niya yung mga tauhan niya at the start of the 6th working day. After the enlarged gang had worked 2 days without the supervision of a foreman, the project engineer decided to finish the job ahead of his original schedule. So, pwede ko to agahan na. Ang ginawa niya, employed Foreman B to supervise. This is another foreman. Very clear class. Foreman A kanina. He employed Foreman B to supervise the enlarged gang at the start of the 8th working day. Doon sa pangwalo na araw. The enlarged gang of pipe layers under the supervision of Foreman B finished the job at the end of the 18th working day. So, dapat 20 days matapos. Natapos sila ng 2 days na mas maaga. 2 days ahead of the schedule. Okay? Ang tanong, in how many days will the original gang of pipe layers under the supervision of Foreman B finish the original pipe laying job? So, kung mula pag-start, yung original class na gang na number of pipe layers, ilang araw dapat nila matapos yung trabaho under the supervision of Foreman B? Sa palagay nyo, ilan? Puntahan natin yung ating class, paliitan natin ha. I hope, para makita natin, I hope visible pa sa inyo class itong mga letters na yan. Okay? Kasi sobrang liit na yata. Pero sa akin dito class, tama lang para may space tayo sa pagsulat. Naintindihan niyo yung problem? Marami-rami actually unknowns dito class, no? Kasi una, unknown actually dito yung number of persons dito sa ating gang ng pipe layers. Unknown dyan class. Isa yan sa unknown. Okay? At actually, yun yung gagawin pala nating unknown, no? Para masolve natin itong problem. Tingnan natin class. Tawagan natin to na number of persons n. Pangalawang unknown class, ilang days? Ito na yung tanong dito. Yun yung original na tanong. Itong n, hindi to yung tanong class. Tawagin lang natin class number of persons, number of pipe layers, yung mga workers natin n. Okay? Ibang kulay. Number of pipe layers. Tawagin natin kulay ko class n. N is equal to number of workers. Number of workers in the gang. Number of original workers to class. Para clear. Kasi dadagdagan natin to sila eh. Original workers in the gang. Gang. Yun yung ating N. So, under the supervision of Foreman A. Tawagin lang natin class with A para maiksi class. Under the supervision of Foreman A. Ang kanilang rate class ay 1 job done. Okay? 1 job done. Anong ikulay ko dito? Kulay din nakakalit to eh. Daming kulay kasi ko na option dito class. 1 job done in, ilan yun sabi? In 20 days. In 20 days. Natural times n. Yan na. Pareho sa ginawa natin kanina, class. Balikan natin yung problem natin kanina. Makita nyo dito na, sana yan? Hindi. Yung sa previous pa na problem nito. Ito class. Makita mo dito, class, yung ating pagkuha dito ng ating n, ng ating rate ay 1 job done in 30 days over number of workers. Yun yung ginawa natin ngayon. 1 job done in 30 days, number of workers. So, balikan ko yung class na ating PowerPoint. Ating page sa PowerPoint. Saan ka na? Iba yung napindot ko dito. Hoy. Ito yan. Naku, anong nangyari dito? Nag-zoom ako class ha. Pasensya po. Nakikita nyo na nag-zoom ako. Paano to i-exit yung zoom? Escape yata. Yan. Yan, nawala na yung aking Ano yung pinipindot ko dito? Iba-iba yung pinipindot ko dito. Oh, pinindot ko ulit. Escape. Tingnan ko ha. Ito pala yung pindutin ko. Oh, yan. Har-har siya. Oh, one job done. I hope naalala nyo class, one job done in 20 days for N workers. Okay? Yun yung ginawa natin kanina. So, yun yung ating rate under Foreman A. So, patrabahoin natin sila class. Nagtrabaho sila sa loob ng ilang araw. Ito na yung flow ng nangyari sa loob ng ilang araw class. This one job done in 20 times N. Tapos nagtrabaho under the supervision of Foreman A ito. Meron tayong, sana yon? The project engineer deciding to finish the job in 20 days employed the gang of 5 players under the supervision of Foreman A. However, at the end of 5th working day, with the supervision of Foreman A class, walang mag-quit, hindi mag-quit si Foreman A. Ang mangyari dyan class, matapos talaga nila sa eksaktong number of days, matapos talaga nila in 20 days yung trabaho. Okay? Ang sabi dito, however, at the end of 5th working day, Foreman A quit the job. Ibig sabihin, class, 5 araw lang to under Foreman A. So, times 5 lang tayo dito, class. Times 5. Tama na? Under Foreman A. Yun lang. Rate times time under Foreman A. Ang nangyari dito, para matapos daw niya yung trabaho on time, yun yung sabi sa problem, however, in order to finish the job on the original target period, or matapos niya on time, which is 20 working days, nag-decide ang project engineer na magdagdag siya ng 2 hanggang sa matapos yung trabaho. Actually, class, no? Itong sinabi dito, kung i-extend natin to class, nagdagdag ng 2, itong mangyari. 1/20n, lagyan pala natin to ng n number of workers. N number of workers nagtrabaho ng 5 days plus 1/20n. Ito yung rate. Pero ang number of workers dito ay n plus 2. Sa loob ng 15 days lang to magtrabaho kasi 20 days to dapat lahat matapos yung trabaho. 15 days magtrabaho. Ang mangyari nito class, matapos dapat ang trabaho kahit hindi mag-hire ng Foreman B. Matapos yung trabaho kasi yun yung sabi statement sa problem. Sana yun. In order to finish the job on the original target period of working of 20 working days, ang ginawa ng project engineer class, nag-hire siya ng 2 additional 5 players starting to at the 6th working day hanggang sa 20th day. Matapos dapat yan. Yan yung sabi sa problem. In order to finish the job on the original target period of 20 working days. Kanya. That's why kung mag-enlarge siya ng gang of 5 players, mag-enlarge siya yung gang N plus 2, dadagdagan niya yung 2. Magtrabaho yung enlarged na group ng 15 days without the supervision of any foreman, matapos pa rin yung trabaho. Okay? Karagdagan ito. So dito class, makuha natin yung value ng n. No, makuha natin yung value ng n. Cancel yung n dito, walang duda yan class. Cancel yan. So 5/20 actually is 1/4. Isulat natin yan. 1/4 para masolve natin yung n. Dito class, no, 15/20 is 3/4. Tama, no? 3/4. Ano nangyari? Hoy. 3/4. Hindi pala to ang class. 20n dito. Mali itong 20n dito class. Anong mali dito class? Kasi yung kanilang rate class, kapag walang foreman kasi to dito may foreman to Ang kanilang rate is 1/20n. Pag walang foreman, mag-iba yung kanilang rate. Sana tayo dito. The same gang of 5 players working without the supervision of a foreman can finish the same pipe-laying job in 25 days. Ibig sabihin class, silang n pa rin na bilang without foreman. Without a foreman. Ano yung kanilang rate? Ang rate nito class ay equal class to 1 job done in 25 days n silang lahat. So 25 dito class. Okay, yun yung ating kulang kanina. So ang mangyari dito class, 15/25 is ilan yan? 3/5. Tama no? 3/5 ito times over n. N plus 2. Okay? Or i-diretso na lang natin ito class no pagpasok. Or wag na. It's equal to dahan-dahanin natin. We have this 1/4. 1/4 plus 3/5. Ito yung 3/5 plus 6/5 is equal to 1. Solve natin yung n. Okay? Masolve natin yung n dito. Ilan yung n class? Tingnan natin. I-calcu ko lang ha. Hindi ko lang i-flash yung calcu. Okay? Hindi naka-flash yung calcu. Para malaki-laki yung view nyo dyan. We have this 1 minus 1/4, natural 3/4. Kinakalcu ko pa rin dito class. Minus 3/5. Minus 3/5. That is equal class to 3/20. So, 3/20. 6/5n is equal to 3/20. Solve natin nas yung n actually dito. What is the value of n? Have this 20 divided by 5 is 4, 8. So, 8 men. Meron kang 8, original class na gang of 5 players ay 8 persons. Okay? Yan na. Now, pero class, hindi actually ito natuloy na magtuloy-tuloy lang to class na 10 person without the supervision of a foreman. Ang nangyari dito, nagbago ang isip ng project engineer. Sabi niya, gusto ko matapos to ng mas maaga. So para mas matapos ng mas maaga, nag-hire siya ng panibagong foreman. Okay? So ang nangyari dito, ganito na. Hire siya ng panibagong foreman. Ito yung nangyari, class. Sa unang araw, sa unang 5 araw, nagtrabaho class yung 8 men. So 1/20 times 8. Ito yung rate nila na original. 20 times 8, 160. Tama na? Tapos, 8 men for 5 days. Ganyan. Plus, walang supervision. 25 times 8. Ito yung walang supervision. N plus 2 is 10. Okay? Times 15. Hindi to 15 kasi nagtrabaho lang sila class ng ilang araw lang. After the enlarged gang had worked 2 days lang. So 2 days lang to nagtrabaho na walang supervision ng foreman. Okay? Nag-hire ngayon ng panibago. Okay? Nag-hire ngayon ng panibago class. Ang tanong class, ano yung rate, gaano kabilis matapos yung trabaho under foreman B? Okay? Sa original na number of 5 players, original na number. Tawagin na lang natin yan class na X. Actually, ito yun actually dito class. One job done, number of days, number of persons. One job done, number of days, number of persons. Tawagin natin yun na X, number of days. At yun yung hinanap natin. So, ibig sabihin class, dagdagan natin to ng plus one job done. We don't know the X. Number of workers natin, 8 pa rin ang original. Pero dito class, ang nagtrabaho ay 10 din. Kasi nadagdagan sila ng 2 hanggang sa matapos ang trabaho. Natapos ang trabaho class at the end of the 18th working day. 18th working day. Tingnan nyo class, ilang araw na sila nagtrabaho. Dito nagtrabaho sila ng 5 days. Okay? Plus 2 days. Ibig sabihin class, nagtrabaho na sila ng 17 days. Matapos sila at the end of the 18th day, ibig sabihin class, itong enlarged under the supervision of Foreman B ay nagtrabaho ng 11 days. Under the supervision of Foreman B. 11 days to class. I hope malinaw sa inyo. Ha? 11 days yan. Tapos ang trabaho. Tanggalin natin dyan yung aking video feed para sikat. Or i-feed ko yung calcu para hindi matanggal. Calculator natin. Okay? So, ito yan. I-solve natin yung class. Calcu. Uy, calcu. Di pa nakita sa aking end. Yeah, this one, 5/20 is 1/4 ulit. Sulat ko lang dito. 1/4 tapos 1/25 over 8 pa, no? times 8 times 20. Bagal dito sa screen. Ang nangyari dito is 1 over 10. So, 1/4 plus 1 over 10 plus ilan to? 55 over 4 is equal to 1. Okay, parang bumagal yung response ng aking marker dito. Aking pen. I-solve natin 4x. May x pa tayo plus. 4x. Okay? Calculate ko dito class. 1 minus 1/4. Tapos minus 1 over 10. Okay? Ito yan. 13 over 20. So, 55 all over 4x. Ilan yung sinabi ko? 13 over 20. 13 over 20. Finally, class, masolve na natin yung value ng x. At ito yung sagot. Okay? Ito yung sagot, number of days. I hope malinaw sa inyo, class. Kung may tanong kayo, mag-comment lang doon sa ating Q&A. What is x? Cross multiply. 55 over 20 times 20 over 55 over 4 times 20 over 13. 55 over 4. Tama? 55 over 4 or divided by kailangan talaga times 20 over 13 times 20 para ma-cross multiply yung x. 20 over 13 cross mo, okay. 275 over 13 or that is 21.154. 21.154 days. Ito yung sagot natin, class. Number of days na magtrabaho yung original class na number of 5 players, 8 persons, under the supervision of Foreman B. 21.154 days, and that is the answer.